Hey guys, Ronnie over here at Gullo Ford. Today we are going to tackle how to get the factory door code from the truck inside. They used to send you a code on the owner's manual. Now they've actually put it onto the screen, so there's no reason to lose it. However, getting to it does require a couple steps. So this is going to be step one. Make sure the vehicle is completely off. All right, make sure you have both sets of keys with you. This is crucial to have. You'll have to insert both sets of keys inside the cup holder into the little slot there on the backhand side. So to begin, have the key just like this, flip it upside down, put it into the slot, hit the accessory mode on, let the screen load up itself. Once it gets to this screen here, go ahead and shut it off, pull the key out, put the other key, just like we did on the first one, re-put it back into accessory mode. From this point on, it will have that load screen again. Just hit OK, and right there, guys, you can see the factory key code on this one is 19717. From this point on, I recommend taking a photo on your cell phone, so then if you wanted to put a secondary code, you can manually enter it now onto the main screen. Just like that, that's how we access to the factory door code on the new 24 F150s.